they arrive with blood on their boots and government bonuses in their pockets. Fresh from the ruins of Gaza, thousands of Israeli soldiers arrive at their favorite destination, seeking a detox from a war the world won't let them forget. They call it Mini Israel, a shadow state in the heart of the Himalayas. India isn't a destination for them. It's a decompression chamber, a place where the law is thin, the drugs are thick, and the accountability is zero. It starts with the sensory blur, an all-night rave in Goa, a haze of smoke in Varkala, or the ancient ruins of Hampi, places where they are too numb to feel and too high to remember. Then the flip happens. The peace seeker vanishes and the soldier returns, scanning the tree lines for snipers that aren't there, barking orders at ghosts trapped in a war that followed them across the ocean. They come to India to lose their ghosts, but they only end up haunting the hills. The war didn't end at the border. They just brought it to a new front. India, the mini Israel of South Asia.